Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So if you are familiar with me and my channel and you watched my last video, I said that I was not going to be able to get any new shoes for my birthday this year, and I truly believed that was going to be the situation, but my situation changed very abruptly, suddenly, which I am very happy about. And I was actually able to acquire one of the pairs of shoes I was really pining for, that I said I would love to be able to have. And I'm really amazed that I was able to acquire these that quickly after saying I wasn't going to be able to get anything for my birthday. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. So, while we're talking about being familiar with me and my channel, you would know that when it comes to Louboutin pumps, it has been a struggle. One, not only learning what my proper size in them was, because I never thought I would have to size down. No one ever thinks that at Louboutin, because the situation is always size up, size up, size up. Well, I had to size down. So don't just listen to size up, size up, size up. But I had a pair of Hot Chick 100s in the plume style. They were a suede and they had metal studs throughout, and I thought they were very, very pretty, and I managed to get them at a good deal, which I'm always happy about on this channel. But sadly, they were a size too large. They did not fit. I'm a 35.5 in Louboutin pumps, and those were a 36. And eventually I wound up selling them, and I didn't have any Louboutin 100s in my collection any longer after that, which is a sad day, because what kind of Louboutin guru am I not having at least one of every shoe in the core collection? And now that day has come where I have not only managed to complete the core collection in sizes that all fit me, but I got a pair of pumps in white, or they are called Bianco. Like on the box they say Bianco, and I could not be happier, because the nude I thought looked really pretty on me, but this, in comparison to my very, very fair skin, I think looks pretty on me. So I'm very excited to stomp around town in these and break them in, get them a little bit worn, because I'm most likely going to be wearing these half to death. Let's go ahead and give you guys an up close look at them all throughout. You can tell they're pretty much unmarred. I don't think they were ever worn by anyone else other than me, like say trying them on in the store, but I am over the moon. I have been wanting a white Louboutin pump in my collection for some time. I cannot express how happy I am that I have these, especially if you guys know me. You guys know I love my Pigalle Feliz, and they don't make them anymore. And what is it almost exactly like them? These. So I will definitely buy more Hot Chick 100s in the future. And for those who are wondering, where are your Hot Chick 130s? Well, those will happen when they happen, because they are $1,500 special order, and then on top of that, let's say I do break down and do that special order, it's gonna take 6 months. And I don't know if I'm really wanting to bite that kind of bullet on a shoe that I otherwise cannot realistically wear, especially after my experience trying the Alanissimas in the 130. That's a bit steep, but maybe one day if the opportunity strikes, but we'll see. For now, we're gonna enjoy the Hot Chick 100s. Now, if I were to purchase these again, if the opportunity ever presented itself, I would love to find these in the dégradé. And for those who don't know what the dégradé color is, it's when they go from black and ombre into red. Speaking of black and red, Does anyone notice my cat Miss Beautiful in the background? I feel like that's kind of been a theme of my videos lately, is what cat are we gonna see on the bed today? And now we've seen Miss Beautiful. But I am still over the moon about these, because I feel like my core collection is complete and now I can just build upon that. My next big shoe that I am really pining to get would be the Socate in Bianco. I already have probably a few sales associates at Louboutin looking around for me for those, so I don't have to special order them and therefore pay special order prices, because if you guys know me, you know that I am going to avoid paying those prices at pretty much any and all cost, pun intended. But once again, to wrap it all up, I am very fortunate, grateful, all those other words, appreciative, more synonyms for that, as to my ability to be able to get these as a belated birthday present. And if you have not already, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my Patreon. I am debating on adding more tiers. We shall see. But I am still grateful for those who subscribe there, and I would just I really want to hone it in that I'm appreciative if you do subscribe there. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed or followed my TikTok, I would appreciate that for obvious reasons, because I hope to hit 10K on there fairly soon. If you would like something tangible from me, then go and check out my Poshmark closet that is linked in the description box. I handle all the sales and items myself. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the try-on for these, my first ever Bianco pumps from Louboutin. I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes.